Hey class, Mr. Strable here. Today we're going to be talking about how to create circle graphs. So circle graphs are just circles that show different data and kind of show you how people selected things. Like if you take a survey of people's favorite food, sports, subjects, stuff like that, you could show that data in a circle graph and it's really easy to see which part is biggest and which part's smallest. So again, we're going to be talking about how to create one today. So to create one, we need to have a frequency. A frequency table is just a table that shows how often things were selected. All right, so I have an example that is one on your assignment that you have to do today, and we're going to do it together right now. So you have one that's done for you. We're doing a survey of the favorite colors of a sixth grade class. So the frequency table is shown behind me. We had 8 kids select red, 5 select blue, and 7 select yellow. So the first thing you need to do is figure out the total students who voted. So that's really simple. Just add everything up. So 8 plus 5 plus 7 is going to get you 20. So we have 20 students surveyed. All right. So after that, you need to find the percent to figure out how big a piece each part gets for your circle graph. So you got to find the percent for each of those colors. And to do that, we have to turn it to a decimal. So we did this way back in the beginning of the year. So if you forget, I will remind you. It's just simple division. So we take the votes that each color got and divide it by the total. So we're going to do 8 divided by 5 divided by 20 and 7 divided by 20. So we divide all those by 20 and we're going to get our decimals. So 8 divided by 20, if we do that math, you're going to get 5 divided by 20 is going to get you 0.25. I got distracted because my dog barking in the background. And finally, 7 divided by 20 is going to get you 0.3. So those are your decimals. So those are your decimals. And if you remember, to get the percent from them, you just move the decimal twice to the right. So this is going to become 40%. And to run out of room, I'm right on this side. 40%. Blue is going to be 5%. And then yellow will be 35. And then to see if you did your work right, you can add all your percents up and it should equal 100. 40, 25 plus 35 will get us 100%. We know we did our work right. And then after this, you just look at your circle graphs and see which one matches that data. So you're looking for the one that has 40% red, 25% blue, and 35% yellow. It's just as simple as that. You do some division and you're done. If you have any questions, you can email me, let me know. Look at the notes that I'm attaching below. Have a good day.